In this video, we're diving into OptimizePress versus Builderall to figure out which one is the best landing page software. If you're on the hunt for a platform that can help you create stunning landing pages quickly and effectively, you've come to the right place. But here's the twist. After trying both of these, I'm going to recommend a competitor you might not have considered yet. Stick around, because you're going to want to hear why. Let's start with OptimizePress. It's been around for a while and is well known for its ease of use, especially for WordPress users. It integrates seamlessly with WordPress and provides a solid range of templates, making it easy to create landing pages that look professional. But here's the thing, it's mostly built around WordPress, so if you're not using WordPress, it's not the best fit for you. Next, let's talk about Builderall. This one is a bit different. It's an all-in-one platform that goes beyond just landing pages. Builderall offers a range of marketing tools like email automation, a CRM, and even website builders. It's got a lot to offer, but here's where it falls short. The user interface can feel cluttered, and navigating through all the features can be a bit overwhelming. If you just need landing pages, Builderall's abundance of features might feel like overkill. Now, let's look at the design flexibility. OptimizePress wins here, in my opinion, because it's got a more intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You have control over almost every aspect of your landing pages, and there's a good variety of customization options. Builderall, on the other hand, has a drag-and-drop builder, but the designs often look a bit generic. The customization options are there, but they're not as clean or easy to use. The next thing to consider is pricing. OptimizePress starts off as more affordable compared to Builderall's all-in-one pricing structure, which includes features you may not even need. While Builderall's pricing seems appealing, you're paying for a lot of tools that you might not use. OptimizePress, with its focus on landing pages and integrations with WordPress, is a great choice if you just need a simple solution at a lower cost. However, if you're looking for something that can scale as your business grows and you want an all-in-one platform, Builderall might seem tempting. But here's the catch. For a platform with so many tools, you might find yourself getting lost in a sea of features that you don't need. Plus, if you want to make the most of Builderall, you have to dive deep into learning its ins and outs. Now, let's move to customer support. Builderall's support can be hit or miss. Some users report that it can take a while to get a response, and sometimes the advice isn't as helpful as it should be. OptimizePress, on the other hand, tends to offer better support with quicker response times and more comprehensive resources for solving common problems. The fourth thing I want to mention is speed. OptimizePress tends to perform better when it comes to speed. Landing pages load faster, and that's critical for conversions. Builderall, with all its extra features, can slow things down, especially if you're using a lot of their additional tools. Finally, if you're just after landing pages, both OptimizePress and Builderall can get the job done. But here's the kicker. After testing both, I found a competitor that does it better for my needs. And that's where you might want to listen closely. If you want the best experience with landing pages and don't want to deal with all the complexities of these two, there's a platform that has a much simpler, faster, and more effective solution. And the best part? You can try it for free through the link in the description. By using our link, you'll get an exclusive trial and benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while OptimizePress and Builderall each have their pros and cons, I'd recommend checking out the alternative I mentioned. You can't go wrong with trying it out for yourself. Click the first link in the description for your best free trial and see how it compares to the others.